Let's learn the letter Z. Across the top, down through the middle, across the bottom. Z is for zebra. Z. Zahid went on a zigzag adventure through the zoo. He was happy to see the zebras. Have you ever visited a zoo?
Boy on the zigzag road takes a stroll. Unzips his shirt. A zoo unfolds. Zebra. 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 Zigzag. 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 Zip. 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 Zoo. Zoo. Z.